I use this pretty simple tong to get some larger size pieces in and out of my forge, mainly when I'm making hammers, stuff like this 1.5" square. Customer and good friend of the channel, Stephen Boudreau, would like to purchase something similar. He would like his tong to be a little bit longer. Because I'm always about doing something different when it comes to my tongs, so I'm going to do something similar but different. My cut's a little off here, but I'll make it work. I need to give a very big shout out to two guys for their recent, very generous donations. They are Storm Munich and Jeff Lofton. I never thought I'd become like public broadcasting, so reliant on the generosity of viewers to keep the channel going, but such is the case with YouTube these days, so thanks very much, fellas. My anvil here is gonna move. It always does. I'm really pleased with the punches that I made for cold/low heat punching, and I know I can improve on them even further, and currently I'm working on some stainless steel punches. So if anyone is interested, let me know. And I'll also, of course, let you guys see how that turns out. So I could bend those side-to-side protrusions into a box jaw style tong, but I don't want to. I'd like to keep them straight out, and I think I'll maybe call these Outrigger tongs. Maybe those will add some stabilization. So I've got to do something with the handle ends to maybe make them more ergonomic. Steven suffered a hand injury that maybe makes applying a lot of pressure difficult. He's also expressed that he wants to use a ring keeper with these tongs, and while that's not my preference, I'll at least make them so that's possible. Sometimes I've got preconceived ideas. Sometimes I just make stuff up as I go along. So there it is, the Outrigger Tong. One thing I'm thinking is that the outriggers might make initially grasping your piece a little bit awkward. And they might get in the way depending on how you're forging your piece. But depending on the situation, they might prove to be pretty useful. We've got a lot more fooling around to do.